few drops to a tea bag before blight destroys your tomato plants. Every year, many gardeners worry about infections that can attack tomatoes. Some of them can damage leaves, fruit, and a large part of the harvest in a very short time. That is why you should try this simple trick. Take a few used tea bags. Tea bags absorb liquids well and gradually release their scent, making them ideal for this purpose. Next, prepare some iodine. Iodine is known for its disinfecting properties and has been used for years to help limit the development of certain microorganisms. Simply soak the tea bags with it. Then hang them in different areas of the greenhouse, especially between tomato plants and in spots where air circulation is weakest. This allows the aroma to spread gradually throughout the entire greenhouse. Many people use this simple method as part of their prevention routine against tomato blight. This plant disease can cause brown spots on leaves, dark lesions on stems, and damage to the fruit. Under favorable conditions, it can spread very quickly throughout entire plants. Also remember to take proper care of your tomato leaves. Avoid wetting the leaves while watering, keep adequate spacing between plants, regularly remove affected leaves, and maintain good air circulation. This gives your tomatoes much better conditions for healthy growth and abundant fruit production. The plants become stronger, cope better with unfavorable conditions, and stay healthy for longer. Regular care and proper growing conditions are what help produce healthy plants and plenty of beautiful tomatoes throughout the season. This fertilizer made my tomatoes start growing almost instantly. It works like rocket fuel for plant growth. This fertilizer will help protect your seedlings from late spring cold snaps and unexpected frost. Prepare 2 plastic bottles cut in half. Pour about 1 quart of water into one bottle and add water to the second bottle as well. The first ingredient is milk, which is rich in calcium, supports plant development, and helps improve fruit production. Measure out about half a cup of milk and pour it into one bottle. Then repeat the same step by adding another half cup of milk to the second bottle. The next ingredient is iodine, which improves plant resistance and supports healthy growth, especially during harsh weather conditions. Add a few drops of iodine to the water in one bottle and mix thoroughly. Repeat the same process with the second bottle by adding a few drops of iodine. Now, one bottle is ready to use, and you can immediately water your seedlings with it. The fertilizer will go straight to the roots, supporting strong and healthy growth. Next, prepare a spray bottle, pour the mixture into it, close it, and spray the plants. This mixture will protect the leaves, support their development, and improve the overall condition of the plants. Regular use of this fertilizer will ensure healthy growth and abundant harvests. This fertilizer is also excellent protection against late spring frost, which can destroy young plants. Thanks to this, your seedlings will survive unfavorable weather conditions and continue growing at full strength. Natural energy drops for abundant harvests and strong cucumber fruits. This is the best homemade fertilizer that will strengthen the plants and improve their resistance. Pour about 1 quart of water into a pot. It's best to use rainwater, which is natural, soft, and free from chlorine. Add 1 tablespoon of natural honey. Honey is a natural prebiotic that supports the growth of beneficial soil bacteria. It helps the roots absorb nutrients more efficiently, which speeds up plant growth. The next ingredient is iodine. Iodine has strong antiseptic properties. It protects cucumbers from fungi and bacteria, boosting their immunity. Add a few drops to the water. You can also add a bit of baking soda, which acts as a natural pH regulator for the soil. Mix everything vigorously to combine the ingredients and create an active solution. Water the cucumbers with this fertilizer once every 10 days, preferably in the morning or late afternoon. Thanks to this mixture, the soil becomes more fertile, the roots stronger, and the cucumbers firm and plump. This simple combination of natural ingredients acts as a growth booster. No chemicals, no costs, and a huge benefit for your garden. Water your tomato seedlings. By summer, you'll be harvesting them by the bucketful. Your tomato seedlings need good fertilizer to grow into strong, healthy plants. To start, grab some empty plastic bottles and carefully cut each one in half with a utility knife. Place these covers over your seedlings. They'll act as a mini greenhouses, protecting young plants from the cold and providing stable conditions for growth. This helps the seedlings develop faster and makes them less prone to disease. To make them grow like crazy, use the right fertilizer. In a larger container, add 1 small packet of dry yeast. This will speed up plant growth. Then, pour in about 3½ fluid ounces of milk for calcium and disease protection. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Finally, pour in about 1 quart of water and mix the solution well. Water your tomato seedlings with this mix. It'll strengthen them, help them root faster, and make them more resistant to disease. It's a fantastic natural method that will leave you with healthy, productive tomatoes. Water your tomato seedlings. By summer, you'll be harvesting them by the bucketful. Your tomato seedlings need good fertilizer to grow into strong, healthy plants. To start, grab some empty plastic bottles and carefully cut each one in half with a utility knife. Place these covers over your seedlings. They'll act as a mini greenhouses, protecting young plants from the cold and providing stable conditions for growth. This helps the seedlings develop faster and makes them less prone to disease. To make them grow like crazy, use the right fertilizer. In a larger container, add 1 small packet of dry yeast. This will speed up plant growth. Then, pour in about 3½ fluid ounces of milk for calcium and disease protection. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Finally, pour in about 1 quart of water and mix the solution well. Water your tomato seedlings with this mix. It'll strengthen them, help them root faster, and make them more resistant to disease. It's a fantastic natural method that will leave you with healthy, productive tomatoes. A nourishing smoothie for your hydrangeas. Your garden will be bursting with blooms. Everything you need is already at home and usually ends up in the trash. The first ingredient, peels from 2 bananas. Though often thrown away, they're packed with valuable minerals. A true natural elixir, they contain everything your flowers need to grow lush and healthy. They boost blooming and strengthen plant resistance. Chop them up and toss them into a blender. Next, add a few eggshells. Rich in calcium, magnesium, and potassium, they support root development and help build strong stems. Now it's time for dry used coffee grounds, a real treasure for plants. They're full of nitrogen, which encourages leaf growth and improves soil structure by enhancing drainage and moisture retention. Add 3 tablespoons to the blender. Finally, pour in about 4 cups of water to create a smooth, pourable fertilizer. Blend everything for about 2 minutes. You'll get a natural, eco-friendly liquid feed. Store it in a tightly sealed container and water your hydrangeas once a week. They'll reward you with lush blooms. It's like a home spa for your garden, and you'll notice the difference fast.